Hi, it's me, Blueberry VR here, back with another video. So, this is the new rain update. I just heard that the update was out, so I came on the heels and checked it out. So let's read the daily message. Rainy day cosmetics are back. Jump in and let the world see your unique rainy fashion. Stay dry. Stay stylish. And have a blast with our rainy day items. The rain won't last forever, and neither will these items. Let's go check them out.
Oh, dude, if you keep talking, I'm gonna get wet.
The umbrella.
Oh, this is sick!
I'm gonna get. Yo, this is actually sick. They're all 6,000. No, they're not. But they're pretty expensive. Nice. 4,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. Alright, let's go. Let's check these items out. I'm going in a different server, so I have to, like, here. Okay, we're back. I just want to check. Oh. Okay, so let's go check these out. Let's go see these. Ooh, so we have this. Not a big fan. We have that. Not a big fan of that either. This, I like this. The boots. It's so goofy. They just stay like this the whole time, bro. Oh. Okay. Right. Golden boots. The quad boots. We got the. Okay. We got the black umbrella. Fan. I'm a fan. Yo, you can hold two. Ooh. Oh, wait, where is that? That's basement. That's a basement. And then it says the red. There's red. It says something. I don't know what that says. But yeah. And this one. I like all of these. So those are the cosmetics. Ooh, this is nice. Has like the rainy. It says rainy flashback, and it has like the monkey there, another monkey and stuff. But let's go. I'm not sure if there's anything else added. Let me go check out the other maps and stuff. It's not so rainy here. Yep, nothing new in the mountains. If I missed anything, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.